The prophet's wallet. In the rundown city of Makoko, there lived a boy named Jamiu. He was quiet, obedient, and broke. His father was gone, his mother sold puff puff by the roadside, and he had 3 younger siblings who looked up to him like he was already a man. One day, while walking home from his job cleaning toilets in a hotel, Jamiu saw a man collapse in the middle of the road. The man was old, with dreadlocks that touched his waist and a beard like snow. No one stopped to help. But Jamiu did. As he bent down to lift the man, the stranger grabbed his wrist with unnatural strength. "You will be tested," the man whispered. "If you pass, you will rise. If you fail, well." He passed out before finishing. An ambulance came. Jamiu went home and thought nothing of it. The next morning, he found a strange leather wallet in his school bag. No name, no ID, just money, 50,000 nairas, and a note. "Take only what you need. The rest, give away before midnight." Jamiu hesitated, but the hunger in his siblings' eyes pushed him. He used 5,000 nairas to buy food. Then, just to be safe, gave the rest to a beggar before midnight. The next day, the wallet reappeared in his bag. This time, 100,000 nairas. He followed the instructions again. Every day, the wallet returned, more money, and the same rule: take only what you need. Give the rest away before midnight. Weeks passed. His family rose from poverty. His mother opened a small shop. His siblings returned to school. Jamiu stayed humble. He never took more than they needed, even when tempted. Then, one night, rain fell like punishment. Jamiu got home late, exhausted, and forgot to give the money away. The next morning, the wallet was gone, and so was his younger brother. Panicked, Jamiu searched everywhere. Police, hospitals, shrines, nothing. That night, the wallet returned. But this time, with no money, only a note. The test is no longer about greed. Now it's about loss. Each time he failed to follow the rule, someone he loved disappeared. Now the wallet returns every night. Sometimes with money, sometimes with names. Jamiu is rich now, but alone. And every midnight, he whispers to the shadows. Who will it be tonight?